Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moil Public School Standard 8 Mathematics, and today we are going to learn about construction of quadrilateral. So students, let's start our today's topic, that is construction of quadrilateral. So students, we can construct quadrilateral in three different ways. If we have a four sides and one diagonal, means we know the length of four sides and one diagonal, so we can construct a quadrilateral. Second way, if we have no three sides and two including angles, then we can also construct this quadrilateral. And other than that, the third way is that if we know two sides and three angles, so we can construct the quadrilaterals. Now students, will construct quadrilateral by these different ways. So first of all, we'll construct quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal are given. So students, we have to construct here quadrilateral, that is PQRS, where the length of sides of quadrilateral and one diagonal is given, that is PQ is equal to 5 cm, QR is equal to 3 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 4 cm, and its diagonal, that is SQ, which is 6 cm. Student, so let's start our construction. So first of all, you have to construct one line segment, that is of SR, which is 5 cm. Then take your compass on R and take 3 cm radius and mark one arc. After that, on S, take again 6 cm radius and mark another arc on previous one. Then join point Q with S and R. Then the next step is that, student, now set your compass on Q and mark 5 cm arc from Q. Then after that, take 4 cm radius from point S and mark arc on previous one, that is of P. Now student, after that, mark your point P where two arcs are meet each other. Now join P with Q as well as S. Now at last you get your required quadrilateral, that is of PQRS. Now student, this is another construction of quadrilateral where three sides and its two included angles are given. So student, before start to construct that quadrilateral, we have to draw a rough sketch according to given information. Now then we will start this construction. So step 1 is that here again we'll draw one line segment, that is SR, with 5 cm. After that, on that line segment, we have to draw two angles, that is of 100 cm from S and from R, that is of 120 cm, using protractor. Now students, in step 3, you have to draw 4 cm arc from point S and 6 cm arc point R. Now join these two arcs which is lie on the P and Q, so you get your required quadrilateral, that is PQRS, where three sides and two included angles are given. Now student, this is the another way where we use this method to construct quadrilateral, where the two sides and three angles are given. So for this we use the following steps. So in step 1, here again we have to draw one line segment, that is of 5 cm. Then we have to construct 120 degree angle using protractor from point A. Similar way, student, you have to make 110 degree angle using protractor on line segment BA. Now set your compass with 3 cm radius from point B on 110 degree and mark point C, and from that point C you have to construct 90 degree angle on line segment BC, where you have to mention another point, that is D, where it 90 degree angle intersect your 120 degree angle line. So now after that you get your required quadrilateral, that is of ABCD, where you can easily find the measure of that remaining angle, that is of D, when you subtract the sum of all three angles from 360 degree. So you get your last angle, that is of 40 degree. Student, note down the given question as an assignment on today's topic. You have to construct the given quadrilateral using given information. Student, I hope you understand today's topic. So we'll meet again with another interesting video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.